As with all my videos, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor to associate the risks involved in any trading strategy. Today is Monday, May 1st. Before we jump into the month of May, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the money out from last month. We made a total of $856.59. And I'll go ahead and jump into this week. So looking at this week, the $58 DoorDash did not drop there, so that expired. And DoorDash, it closed out at like 61, maybe 62, so it didn't hit our $63 call, so that expired. I did go ahead and transfer the $856.59 out, and I sold. This time I sold the DoorDash. DoorDash is going up. Stocks are starting to get expensive. I sold the $66 call. So I received a total of $350.68. And I sold 4 of the forward puts, the $11.50 forward puts, and got a total of $57.35. So that $57.35 and the $350.68 was a total of $408.03. So I did go ahead and update 408.03 for this week. I'll come back next week with next week's call options. Today is Monday, May 8th. Before I jump into this week, I withdrew that $856.59 last month. So I went ahead and made payments on that. So I made $70 payment, a $60 payment, and then the rest of that $856.59 was $726.59. Go ahead and jump into this week. So looking at this week, the two $66 calls did expire, as well as the 4 forward puts. Those also expired. So this week I turned around and sold the $66 call again for Dash. Got a total of $154.68. And I sold the Lyft put, the $8 put, 5 of those. And got a total of $51.69. So that $154.68 and $51.69 comes out to a total of $206.37. I'll come back next week with next week's options. Today is Monday, May 15th. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this week. So last week, the 2 DoorDashes did expire, as well as the 5 Lyft puts. So I turned around and sold the $67 Dash call, 2 of those, at $186.68, and I sold 6 of the $8 Lyft puts for a total of $92.03. So that $186.68 and $92.03 comes out to a total of $278.71. So I did go ahead and update the $278.71 for this week. I'll come back next week with next week's options. Today is Monday, May 22nd. We'll go ahead and jump into this final week of May. So the 267 DoorDash calls did expire. Also the 6 put lifts expired. Both of those expired worthless. So I went ahead, turned around and sold the $68 Dash, 2 of those. Got a total of $188.68. And I sold 5 of the $8 Lyft puts for a total of $111.69. So the $111.69 and the $188.68 came out to a total of $300.37. So I went ahead and updated for this week.